Oh yeah, a wee while since I've done a video. Um, we've been doing some of these nice power supplies, and this is a 1400 watt. So on 12 volts, we get a large current out of this. We can get 117 amps maximum out of it. That's 1400 watts. When they come, they seem to be set to about 12.3 volts. Sometimes maybe slightly more than that. And there is a small pot that one can get into through this small cover here, and you can adjust it up and you'll get around about 12.6 to 12.8 volts. To get more voltage out of it, there's two simple modifications need to be done. The resistor from the pot down to ground will pull the voltage up. I put a 33k in it to give that up to 13.5 volts, which is usually as far as I would normally go, and also a change to the over voltage protection using a 5.1k resistor. That gives the OVP around about 14.8 volts. So that's what you need to do. Simple enough modification. I'm not going to show the modification because there's so many of these around on YouTube. There's no point in another one there. But just to say that you can buy these for under £10 off eBay with next day delivery from DPD. There's plenty of sellers doing that for that price. It's absolute wonderful price. High current power supply, very stable indeed. Does not cause any noise for HF or anything like that. If you're a radio amateur or shortwave listener, no problems with them whatsoever regarding that. I have done the modification to this. I've got my fluke meter on. I'll just turn it on and we'll see what it comes up to. There we go. 13.5374 volts, which as far as I'm concerned is quite fine for modern radios that have a 13.8 plus or minus 15%. Even older ones that are maybe slightly different specs will still operate nicely at that voltage. Some of the older radios you may find you might slightly less output, but 2 or 3 watts out of 100 is not going to make even a smidgen of a difference to your S readings at the other side of the world. So yeah, absolutely fine. Great wee power supplies, utterly reliable, and absolutely no problems. This is a platinum one, as you can see, the highest spec you'll get. So yeah, and I don't think they're that old, to be fair. There's no signs of any dust or dirt in them. I don't know, there might be a date on them, I'm not sure, never even looked for that. But yep, thoroughly recommended. High current, you'll probably get a wee bit less than 117 amps, bringing the voltage up, but maybe around about 95 to 100 amps. So that will run all your shack if you're a radio amateur. Okay, thought I'd let you see it. Cheers guys, bye.